Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Carter's Valentine's outfit is probably one of the most adorable and practical choices for your little ones this Valentine's Day, offering a delightful blend of festive charm and everyday comfort that parents and kids alike will adore, ensuring your child looks and feels their absolute best for any holiday celebration or even just a special day out. Number 5. Simple Joys by Carter's Girls 4-Piece Pajamas. Wrap your little one in ultimate comfort with these soft pajamas. Designed for peaceful nights and sweet dreams. Featuring charming prints, these pajamas add a touch of fun to bedtime. Your child will love choosing their favorite design each night. Made from durable polyester, these pajamas are easy to wash and maintain. Spend less time on laundry and more time on cuddles. The 4-piece set ensures a perfect fit for every child. Enjoy a snug and comfortable feel all night long. Give the gift of a good night's sleep. These pajamas are crafted for quality and comfort, ensuring happy mornings. What we like. This set offers a complete Valentine's Day sleepwear solution. It's made from comfortable polyester, perfect for a cozy night's sleep. If you're looking for a coordinated and festive pajama set for your little one, this is a great choice. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits true to size. Great quality material and the design is very festive. The little details on the outfit are so cute, perfect for Valentine's Day. Number 4. Simple Joys by Carter's Baby Girls 2-pack short-sleeve t-shirts. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, these tees are perfect for your little one's delicate skin. They offer all-day comfort, keeping them cool and happy. This convenient 2-pack provides essential pieces for your baby's everyday wardrobe. Mix and match them with other outfits for effortless style. Designed with convenience in mind, these shirts feature easy snap closures. Getting them dressed and changed is a breeze, even on the busiest days. Whether it's playtime at home or an outing with family, these short-sleeve tees are built for comfort and movement. They allow for unrestricted play. These tees combine adorable style with practical features. They are a must-have for any baby's collection, offering both cuteness and functionality. What we like. These t-shirts are a versatile addition to any baby's wardrobe. The short sleeves make them ideal for layering or warmer days. If you need simple, comfortable basics for daily wear, these are a practical and essential pick. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits true to size. The material is soft and comfortable for the baby. The design is festive and perfect for Valentine's Day photos. Number 3. Boys Elephant Pullover Hoodie. Dress your little one in this charming hoodie featuring a cute elephant print. It's perfect for adding a touch of fun to their everyday outfits. Crafted from soft, breathable cotton, this pullover ensures maximum comfort for your child all day long. It's gentle on their skin and perfect for any season. The long sleeves provide extra warmth and protection, making it an ideal choice for cooler days. Keep them snug and stylish wherever they go. Designed for convenience, this hoodie is easy to pull on and take off. It's a hassle-free addition to their wardrobe, perfect for busy parents. This versatile sweatshirt is great for school, playdates, or just lounging at home. It's a comfortable and cute option for any occasion. Available in a range of sizes, this sweater is designed to fit toddlers and kids perfectly. Find the right size to keep your child comfortable and looking great. What we like. This sweatshirt provides warmth and style with its adorable elephant design. Made from soft cotton, it's perfect for keeping your child comfortable. If your child loves cute animal graphics and you need a cozy top for cooler weather, this hoodie is an excellent option. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits true to size. The material is soft and comfortable for the baby. The design is festive and perfect for Valentine's Day photos. Number 2. Wall Pops DWPK 2466 Watercolor Dots Wall Art Kit. Transform your space with our stunning watercolor dots. They add a touch of color and style effortlessly. Decorating is a breeze with our peel and stick design. You can easily reposition them to get the perfect look. Worry-free decorating is here. They are always removable and leave no sticky residue behind, keeping your walls pristine. These versatile decorations stick to most smooth, flat surfaces. Get creative and apply them anywhere you like. Each kit comes on 4 large sheets, providing plenty of pieces to create your desired look. With 59 pieces included, you have endless possibilities to personalize your walls and express your style. What we like? Decorate your space with these easy-to-use wall decals. They are safe for walls and leave no sticky residue behind. If you want to add a fun, temporary touch of color to a room without commitment, this watercolor dot kit is perfect for you. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits true to size. The material is soft and comfortable for the baby. The design is festive and perfect for Valentine's Day pictures. Number 1. Carter's Baby Boy's Valentine's Day Set. Get your little one ready for Valentine's Day with this adorable 2-piece set. It's perfect for celebrating the season in comfort and style. This set is designed for ultimate comfort, ensuring your baby boy stays cozy all day long. The cute design makes him the star of any Valentine's gathering. Make this Valentine's Day extra special with a charming outfit. It's an ideal choice for photos, parties, or just everyday wear during the festive season. Crafted with quality materials, this set is not only soft but also durable for active little ones. Plus, it's easy to care for, making your life simpler. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This Valentine's Day set is a wonderful present for baby showers or for your own little love. It's sure to be a hit. What we like? This outfit is designed for a festive Valentine's Day celebration. It combines comfort with a charming holiday look. If you're searching for an adorable and coordinated outfit for your baby boy to wear on Valentine's Day, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. The outfit is adorable and fits true to size. The material is soft and comfortable for my baby. Great quality and the design is perfect for Valentine's Day. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.